We're Angelo and Ilsa, theater owners from Western New York forced out of business by the global happenings of 2020. With no clear view in sight of when we'll be able to fully reopen our live performance venue, we moved our family into a 15-year-old shuttle bus and made it our tiny off-grid home on wheels. Subscribe and join us and the Inspire engine on our journey.
Oh no, we're gonna keep going. Wow, that's pretty cool.
This is the public non-pay area where the dogs go and stuff like that. And that's the pool, private pool up there. Well,
I see.
pool, I guess.
Where's the pool?
Over there, but I mean, people go swimming on this side too. It's not really a pool; it's just
You
the
dammed
creek.
up the spring to make a pool.
What do you think, Loach?
I don't know.
Looks like fun.
Yes, I want to jump in right now, but I don't know if I'm allowed.
Okay. Let's wait for mommy.
Where is she?
I don't know.
That's it. Actually, looks way funner.
This is beautiful. I feel like I'm in another country again.
Feel right there. Feel on my head.
Warm
And
and wet and sweaty.
Yes, it's very sweaty. I'm trying to get very sweaty so that I can actually.
Alright, so this is cool. We've been here for a couple of days. We didn't know there's this big swimming hole right here.
I was there like 15 years
And people are just kayaking everywhere. It is so exciting down here. Man, the things we missed. We just walked into the woods and found this cool little place. So we're gonna get in the water. Oh, that was cold water. What do you think about this place? Is this cool? The dog just shook himself off on my leg and got me all wet because he was cold from the water. Is this neat? Look at this place. Wow. I am ready to go in the water. Fantastic. You want to go swimming? Kati, do you want to go swimming? Yeah, let's go over there and we'll go swimming. Let's get your bathing suit on. Come on. get me. Kitty, you can leave him with me. Here.
All the pipes busted in the snowstorm. There's no shower.
Oh. All right, so this is it. This is our bath right here. This is our bath right now then.
Andrew!
Hi, Einstein.
Sounded like it.